Okay, guys, so, Russell Wilson gets hurt, fractured toe, running the ball, so I'm stuck with some guy that's 72, but he's actually really mobile, so that's good for me, because I like mobile running quarterbacks. But here's this Hail Mary from, like, the 50-yard line. No, yeah, probably. He just lobs it up there. I'm like, I knew I had that. Exit. Lobs it up there, like all the way up there. And I didn't even think I was going to get that. See you guys. Happy Easter.